Hi, Mr. Heifel here. Today I have some special guests. I got my two sons. I have Daniel. Come on out, Daniel. And I have Caleb. Come on out, Caleb. They help me with making Frisbees. Now if you don't have a Frisbee at home like this one, okay, I'm going to show you how to make one out of cardboard. We've been getting a lot of cardboard because we've been ordering stuff online due to the coronavirus. So if you got some extra cardboard laying around, this would be perfect for you to try. Okay? We're going to show you some stuff in here and hopefully we'll go outside and we're going to test these. So we've made a lot. They've decorated some of them too. So I've got this one here. You notice it's pretty thick cardboard. We're going to see. I think this one might work pretty well. Pretty thick, heavy. We've got some thinner. I made this one. And Caleb made this one. We got some plastic ones. Okay. And I even had fun. We made one into a ring. Pretty cool. So and I'll show you that. So what we did is we have a piece of cardboard, obviously, and we have to have this right here. Okay. So what we did is we actually used the Frisbee, and we traced it with a pen or a pencil all the way around. Now, if you don't have a Frisbee, you can use like a bowl. Okay. Make sure I'd probably recommend having a plastic one or something that doesn't break if you drop it, or you can use like a plastic plate. I'm going to try these and see how they fly as well. Okay? So, see how they fly as well. And after you cut all that out, it'll pop out. Okay? Now you may have to have your parents help you cut this out just so that you don't get hurt. Or if you have some scissors, you can use those. I used a box knife or like a razor blade, so I did all the cutting today. Okay, so you can blame me for some of the poor cutting. A little bit rough on this one, but we did make a star. We tried to have fun, made a throwing star. Okay, on this one, what I did is I used the Frisbee. Used the Frisbee, traced it. Then I used the plate and cut it out twice. So I cut this out and then I cut the ring out. So you can try something like that. All right, so we're going to go out and we're going to test them and see how they do. All right. Hi, here we are outside. Now remember, when we throw a Frisbee, we got to have a finger on top, fingers underneath, and the thumb is going to be on the top, right here. Okay, fingers on top, I mean on the side. Okay, now it's on the side. Okay, thumb on top, fingers underneath, and this finger right here. We're going to flip our wrist. We're going to touch the other hip. And here's what it's going to look like. Daniel's going to show us how. We're going to throw the very first one. Now it's windy out here, so we're going to be throwing kind of low. We're going to throw it to a line that's on the shop right here we have. You can't really see it from here, but he's going to throw the first Frisbee, which is the real one, to give us an idea what it's supposed to look like. Okay? And then we're going to see how these other ones compare. All right, Daniel, you ready? Okay, he's ready to go. All right. All right, now we have a baseline to see how the Frisbee goes. This time, Caleb's going to throw one. He gets to choose from his pile over there. So, all right, worked out all right. Okay, Daniel's going to try one. What you got, Daniel? You got the thick one? Okay. All right. Ooh, that one was a little bit weird, wasn't it? Did the wind get it? All right, keep it flat now. Keep it flat. Caleb, your turn. All right, we got Caleb with the plastic plate. He's got it face down this time. His fingers are on the side, or at least one finger rather. You ready, Caleb? All right, hit it. All right, that was pretty close to the other Frisbee. All right, Daniel, which one you got this time? A little bit thinner piece of cardboard. Also got some plastic, it looks like, on the bottom. All right, you ready? Hit it. All right. Cardboard seems to be flying sideways, doesn't it? All right, Caleb, you ready? Oh, you're going to do the ring. Okay. Let's try it. Go ahead. Ooh, not bad. It floats pretty well. Did it go over the fence? No. Okay. Whew. All right, Daniel. Your last one.
It's upside down.
There you go. Ready? Hit it. Ooh, that worked out pretty well. Just like a regular Frisbee. Okay, Caleb, you ready? Hit it. That worked out. All right. Thanks, guys. Good job. So as you can see, certain discs, like the plates, they seem to fly pretty much like a Frisbee. Some of the cardboard seemed to fly, and then the wind, I don't know if it got it or based on how we threw it, but it didn't seem to fly the same. Maybe the heavier ones. The one that had the hole in the middle seemed to work pretty well. It glided pretty well. We might keep that one. All right, this is Mr. Heifel. See if you can try this. Leave a comment at the bottom if you do. All right, have a good one.